Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I have a boy here that's a little bit upset, so we're gonna be hanging out a lot today. Not that we ever don't hang out, but just more quality time, I think. First off, I need to start this video with an apology for my last vlog. I didn't put a quote in the video, but I had a poppy seed in my teeth for like the whole video. It was so frustrating. It's so distracting. I ate my everything bagel in the morning and it betrayed me. I didn't find out I had it in my teeth until that evening when I was FaceTiming with Josh. I just don't like look at myself during the day, and I really like need to, or at least closely. Anyways, sorry if that was distracting. I was very upset about it. But today's a new day. I'm not gonna eat a bagel today to make sure that doesn't happen, even though I can just check my teeth after. I also am trying out the new like Gen Z thing, doing the claw clip, and it's super cute. I like it a lot. It is kind of hard to do though. Like, I see these reels of people doing like twisty things, and I think my hair is too short and too thick to do that, so this is what I got. But even still, like, it's hard to keep it all in there. I don't know. Anyways, millennial problems. Welcome to today. It is very gloomy out, and it has been for the past few days, which is fine, but it's not my favorite. Right now, the house is a disaster. Besides our usual mess of things, toys everywhere, we also have these giant bookcases in the way of everything, which is really nice because that means that the bookcases are almost done. I swear I had full intentions to film the process of working on these over the past few days, and something about weekends, it just completely slips my mind that I'm a YouTuber, and I didn't realize till after I was done that I wanted to film it. So, sorry about that. I promised you that, but I'm gonna hopefully get some work done on them today. But it's really exciting. They're assembled, they're painted, and one coat of varnish. I need to do a second coat of varnish. There's also the backboard going on it. I'll go into it later. I hope you guys enjoy me talking about this stuff because I enjoy talking about it, and in my last video specifically, I talked about it for a while, so there's that. Okay, I'm gonna try and get some cleaning done in here. There's an open pickle jar on the counter. I need to do something about this. Wow, it's gonna be so nice when these bookshelves are in place and I can use them as camera spots. That was actually a really quick tidy. It was just like when the toys are everywhere, that's when it gets overwhelming. If at least they're mostly consolidated, I'm fine. I also want to get these bookshelves done. Well, for one, they're like literally in the way. Like, I can't walk through my house normally, but also I would love to keep Rook's grimy fingers off of them. That would be nice. An update on Rook. Come here, buddy. I think I've mentioned before that he's been having a hard time picking up on sign language. I've been doing it with him since he was like, I don't know, 7 months old, and he just didn't care for it. Eventually, all he would do, like when he was 1 or turned 1, he would just like point at things, and that's how he would communicate. But just over this past weekend, he's figured it out. I don't know, like we were trying to teach him more, and he like just did not care for it. Yeah, there you go. Until I was like playing with him, and I was like flipping him, and every time I would flip him, I would do like more, and maybe that was the incentive he needed to learn it. And since then, he's been doing more all the time. I don't think he fully understands it. I think he thinks when he does it, he just gets something, not he gets more of something. So I'm trying to not respond to it as like an initiation to something. I don't know. And then just the other day, he started to do eating. He needs to be prompted to do it, but he'll like do it back. And all done, he's been doing for a little bit now, but I'm just like such a proud mom. Like, it's so cool that he'll tell me when he's hungry, and then I'll feed him. He'll tell me if he wants more, and then he lets me know when he's done. Like, it's incredible. Like, it's just different when it actually happens versus knowing it's a thing. So that's been nice. This is what I'm talking about. He just like points at things. He doesn't know what he wants. He just wants something. Yeah, you want something. I just had the thought 10 minutes ago of why is there water running, like the sound of water running, but I didn't like, it wasn't like a full thought, it was just kind of a passing thing. Anyways, I realized it's because Rook turned on the dishwasher, so give me a second while I turn that off. I'm gonna head out real quick. I need to go to Home Depot to get a few things to finish this project. I'm sure it's not my last stop there, but what I need right now. Yeah, do you wanna go to Home Depot? You love it there. You wanna go? Let's load up. Oh my gosh. How did you get that? Okay, we're back. That was one of the more stressful trips to Home Depot. I didn't bring the stroller. That was a mistake. But usually Rook is like chill being held. Not today. He was squirmy and then was running away whenever I put him down. We got through it. I'll show you what I got, my little haul. I got some 1-inch finishing nails and some black caulking. We're gonna use these to attach the beadboard to the back. We have a nail gun, brad nailer, that's what it's called, which we have been using, but I think it might ruin this because it's like a small area we have to nail. Anyway, so I got that and this to seal it up. Little sponge brush because I broke my last one, and then I needed more finished, like poly, and they didn't have the brand I wanted. This should be fine. It's just a different brand, but it's still water-based and crystal clear finish in matte. Everything matte finish is sold out, I swear. Yeah, I think it should be fine. Should be fine. So that's that. I am tired. That was a very exhausting trip. I'm just heating up some leftovers for Rook for lunch. And I am freezing. I might change into a sweater. I have the heat on, but it's just like, I don't know, like I can't get my body heat going. I'm so excited to eventually get new windows in this house because these windows are like not doing anything for keeping the heat in. Okay, I put my jacket on. Also, the sun came out. Did not expect that. Very thankful for it. I have Rook's lunch ready. If you're wondering what I'm eating, I don't know yet. I'm probably gonna end up eating whatever Rook doesn't eat because I don't think he's gonna love this. It's leftover sushi bowls mixed with hash browns and sausage from a breakfast. So he also had a really big breakfast, so I don't expect him to care much for this. Oh well. He's so kicky. All done! All done! Okay, this is my varnishing outfit. I feel like this is very 90s, having the turtleneck with a sweater. I'm just trying to not destroy my clothes. Rook just went down for his nap. I'm gonna hopefully get this done in an hour, and then it'll have an hour to set. So when Rook wakes up, it'll be fine if he touches it. Okay, let's get started. finished. Rook is still sleeping. Hallelujah. I was also able to do the beadboard, which is the backing. You saw me do that on the table there. And they're all pretty much dry to the touch, or like the bookcases are anyways. So Rook can get up whenever he wants now and we'll be fine. Josh was saying when he comes home from work, he wants to put the backings on, which is super exciting because that's like gonna be what it looks like when it's finished. But I still need to sand the tops of the cabinets, and it's such a big process. Some sanding jobs are very therapeutic and enjoyable. Some are brutal. Like when you just have a slab and you need to spend like over an hour sanding the one slab, that sucks. When you have something like this where you get to move around and do different areas, it's a bit better. You kind of feel like you're making progress. Anyways, I'm rambling about sanding. I'm very excited that these are done. The one thing is, of course, I was nervous about using this finish, which is weird because it's like, why would I be nervous? But as it turns out, the varnish has a different finish than the one I used previously. They're both labeled as matte, but this one has a bit of a sheen to it, a bit of a semi-gloss to it, even though I'm sure it is still more matte than a semi-gloss. And I'm not mad about it. I think it makes it a bit darker, almost. But I'm probably gonna have to add a coat of it to the cabinets on the bottom. Whatever, that's not a big deal. Those are pretty quick. But something else I forgot to mention was that yesterday I went to Ikea, which I wasn't planning on doing, but I was in the area and I needed to kill time. And I bought so much, well, like, I guess in my opinion, so much Christmas stuff. So I wanted to show you what I got. I know it's early for Christmas, but I've already mentioned I'm excited about it, so. Okay, first things first, if I have any family members watching, you're gonna laugh at me for this, but I bought, what do you call this? Wrapping paper. The reason why, maybe not laugh at it, but I have always just used paper bags to wrap gifts. It often looks pretty rough, not the most aesthetic, but it's sustainable and I like it. But I saw this and the print is just so like cute and vintage that I wanted to pick it up. So there's that. To go with it, I got this, what do you call this? It's like rope for like tying presents. And Rook's awake, so I will continue this haul with Rook. Okay. Do you want to help me show people what we got at Ikea yesterday? Ikea with Rook was a lot of fun. It was a good time, hey? Okay. I also got so many candles. Ikea has the best price for candlesticks, so that I found anyways. So I got these ones. They're not the cutest, but once they've been lit, it doesn't matter. They also came out with new candles for Christmas that are the like nice tapered ones. So I got a couple of those because I use them like year round. And then I also got the red ones for Christmas. Oh, as for gift wrapping, I got some bows. This is so not like me. I'm just really feeling Christmas. Couple more candles. I also normally, who am I? I normally don't get scented candles, but I wanted Christmassy red candles, so this is what we got. And then we've always not really loved our tree topper. I just got it the first year we got married and needed one. And they had this guy for like $5, and I think it's just really nice and simple and classic. So there's that. I got these little, what do you call these? Brush trees. Those are cute, vintagey. I also got this little tree here. I thought it'd be so cute on the shelves. I'm not the kind of person to get fake plants, but it's Christmas, so there's no rules. And then I got these little guys that are like fold out ornaments. Cute, very Nordic. And then lastly, I got this little puzzle for Rook for Christmas. We're gonna wrap it up for him. Isn't that cute? Yeah, and it all was obviously pretty cheap, so I didn't end up spending that much money. I'm very happy with what I got. I still have like a few things that I know I'm gonna want to get for Christmas, if you remember last year, I wanted to start this tradition where each of my kids gets their own snow globe. And so I found one for Rook after struggling to find one during the pandemic and like things being out of stock. Found one, it was super cute, and I broke it. I cried over that for sure, mostly because I was already sensitive because Christmas was canceled. So I need to find Rook a new, do you want to play with that? I need to find him a new snow globe this year. I like to buy one new ornament a year, and yeah, I think that's it. Sorry if you don't care for the Christmas content, but that's what we got. You took such a long nap. Mr. 3-hour nap.
Yes.
Thank you. Do you want your presents wrapped in this? All right, let's put this stuff away. It's not Christmas yet. Okay, so it just got so dark in the house. I turned on some lights. It's only 3:30. That's what winter is. But, okay, so I had to move one of the cabinets so it wasn't so dangerous for Rook. And I moved it up against the wall with the beadboard up against the wall. And then I put some things on the shelf. How freaking cute is that? Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. It is a bit darker than I wanted it to be. Sorry, I'm just watching Rook. Because the varnish really darkened it to more of a black rather than a charcoal-y black, but whatever, it's fine. It's doing the same thing. And like, hey Rook, that sucks. I'm sorry, it's probably really grainy for you, but like, look at the idea of it. It's coming together. I'm obviously very excited. Now I just have to wait for Josh to get home so he can help me do that. Okay, so I just found out that Josh is actually going to be coming home a bit later than expected. So I'm going to end the vlog off here. I hope you enjoyed my DIY day and I guess my little haul. I don't know, I was super busy today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, like I already said, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.